Hello people, hope that all of you are well and a good time. Welcome to winter morning. When coming winter morning, we need heavy clothes, we need warm room, and when coming winter morning, winter season, we feel different thing because we feel also freezing environment. Right now, I'm getting freezing environment, I'm getting fresh air, and I'm here monitor sound from different kind of bird because let me show you the natural, different natural beauty. Have a look this side of me. Here is a small canal and really quiet place. And I'm gonna show you the another vegetable garden and another vegetable field. Let me show you the vegetable field, different kind of vegetable field. So I'm walking. Actually, it's my favorite place, and I'm here living a long time. Here is another vegetable field, and the one of these vegetable field are working in this field. Like there is another vegetable field. I don't know what is the name of vegetable, but it's really different. So it's different place, and I'm walking this side of the tall grasses. It's a really quiet place. It's a really wonderful place. I have come here for practice my English and making video. You know, I'm an English content creator and I'm an English explorer. That's why I love to also explore natural place, vegetable, garden, and village life. So have a look. Here is a vegetable field. Here is a vegetable field, also vegetable field, and here is a vegetable field as well. Yes, it's really quiet place, and I'm getting beautiful smell from the soil from this vegetable field. There is a tall grasses field over there, and some of people are working here, and lot of birds are flying here. Have a look. It's really different place. I know that every people love this kind of village. So I also love living in a village. That's why I live in here. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video.